Sorry, it's DJ.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer our jackfruit seedlings into a bigger pot. I have 8 pots in here, or you say, excuse me, it's 9 pots. I only have 8 seedlings.
You can get some.
Still have few seeds in here, but it's not showing up the shoots yet. I don't know if they're alive or dead. 2 months ago, I went to the Asian market and bought some jackfruit fruit. It was in the refrigerator. Since the fruit was on the fridge, then it took me for 3 to 4 weeks to grow. And some are not growing yet. It might be the seeds were dead because it's not showing any sign of progress. Now I'm going to transfer one of them into a bigger pot.
Sorry, it's DJ.
You can get some.
Sorry, it's DJ.
I'm done transferring my jackfruit seedlings into a bigger pot. I got 8 of them. I have to wait until they're ready to replant into our yard. Right now they're still small, little. The deer will eat them. So guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.
You can get some.
Hit the notification bells. Thank you guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.